I have an amazing couple behind me. They're full-time van life. Got a dog down here. So I got KJ and I got James. What up? KJ James. That's not annoying at all. And Lucky the dog.
Yeah.
What van, make, model do we have?
It is a 2015 Ford Transit 250 EcoBoost, the high roof and extended.
High roof extended. Oh my goodness, that you guys did that simultaneously. Could you be a cuter couple, please? How much solar do you have? And you know what? Actually, before we even get into that, let's step into the van so we get the wind out of this.
All right.
Can we do that? I'm gonna go in and we'll start this way. Is that cool? But there's a lot of solar up there.
There is. There's 600 watts of solar panels.
Is that all?
It is.
How many roof vents?
2 roof vents. We've got the regular Max Air fan that's pretty popular, as well as a Dometic skylight in the back.
I didn't even see that thing.
The Hecky Mini. We had to buy it off eBay.
Okay, the Hecky Mini. I've actually seen only one other in a van.
Yeah.
And they're pretty cool.
They're super nice. It's really nice in the city because you can let light in, you can get air circulation without having your windows open on the side. So if you're sleeping stealth and you don't want people to know that you're in here based on your side windows, you can cover those up and still let light in from the top.
One swivel or two?
Just one.
So we got this guy here, which we installed on the road. It is the
Scopema. So it's only about 7/8 of an inch tall. It doesn't really raise the seat up too much. We got that specifically.
Yeah, because I work a lot while we're driving, so they're in.
And because of the Ford Transit, everybody, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but maybe behind KJ's head, that the slope is really drastic.
Yes.
And you guys did a phenomenal job bending that wood.
Thank you.
How many boards did we break?
A handful.
Woo! Not to mention the ones that come broke in those packets.
Oh, that's true too. What did you use so they could bend?
So it is a 1/4 inch tongue groove cedar, and it was kind of a bear to get up there, but we figured it out.
Screwed it now!
Yeah, it's great. It looks great.
Yeah, no heat, no extra, like, we didn't have to steam it or anything like that. Just hold it in place.
You guys have a massive shower right here.
Yes. We have a 2x3 shower. And then we've got our Nature's Head in there and some cedar boards to keep it in place.
What's this humming noise I hear? Is that the fan from the...
We have an aftermarket fan.
Okay, how come? You could have left it plugged in? I was just curious what that was.
It'll probably screw with your audio if we leave it on the whole time.
Okay, fair enough.
Just thought about that. But we put the aftermarket fan on because we actually got this toilet on Craigslist for half the price.
A lot of other van lifers are like, I use my shower here, there, whatever.
Yeah.
Not so much with you two.
No, we use it probably 2 to 3 times a week. Military showers, nothing crazy, just a couple gallons each. Usually we don't fill our gray when we each take a shower.
Your gray's 5, but how big is your fresh?
30.
30 gallons of fresh.
And then we carry 2 blueies, so an additional 12 gallons.
There's I don't know if you guys can see that blue tank out there. It's actually holding their tent in place.
We just use the 30. It's about 5 days. We kind of run about 5 gallons a day.
You guys went with a really cool, is it a bluish teal, green? What is this?
I believe it's called Bitter Sage from Home Depot.
Okay.
White cabinets are absolutely beautiful, but the realistic thing is they're going to get it dank real fast. White for the walls because that doesn't get nearly as much traffic or touching as...
Great layout. You got the 2 countertops. Obviously, we're going to get to the cooking here in a second. Then you got these seating across from each other and a bed that we're eventually going to get to, which is really interesting and cool.
It is propane.
Propane. And we have 3 burners. It's a Furrion. And then we've got our stove here. We call it the Tron stove because of the blue lights.
Whoa. Okay. Refrigerator. Big old fridge. Is it a 12?
Big. No. That's a 120 volt fridge.
Okay, so interesting. You know, I have this debate with, people that I have consulting with or blah, 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 whatever. I'm not the biggest fan of having a 110 volt fridge running all the time.
Yeah.
You run your inverter all the time.
We do.
All the time.
Which inverter do you have?
We have the Renogy 2000 watt.
which is drawing roughly 5, maybe 6 amps just being on.
Yeah, somewhere in that ballpark.
And then you have a just being on, done,
Right,
nothing else
yeah.
running.
Yep.
And then you're running a refrigerator with another 4 or so amps.
It is.
10 amps just off the bat, just running your compressor on your fridge.
Yes. And it
Okay.
is by far and large the largest consumer in this van of everything else combined.
How do we feel about this?
We definitely debated going to a 12-volt fridge, but they are on back order right now. So it was something we were definitely going to go with the 120 right from the start because it was $100 versus like $1,000 or $1,200. And we were like, not right now. If this is only going to be a year, I don't need to spend $1,200 on a fridge. Here we are, almost a year and a half in. We're still here.
How big is the battery bank?
300 amp hours of AGM.
Oof. So you really have 150 amp.
Yeah, right. It's old school, but we got a really good deal on
Yeah,
it.
3 batteries for $300.
All right. Let me
Also
ask you this:
Craigslist.
we had a little bit of overcast the last couple days. How's it been doing?
We're at 89 right now.
I don't mean to be. I'm trying. I don't trying to sound like a big d-bag here, guys.
No.
I'm just trying. I'm
Be
transparent.
realistic,
I'm
yeah.
realistic. So
Most days, even when it's overcast with the 6 panels, we're still pulling in a decent amount of amps because of the refractiveness of the light. Today was a little rough because we had rain and a pretty heavy overcast, so we didn't pull as much. We were at 82 this morning, and we're at 89 now. So
89%.
Yep.
yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to some of the brighter topics. You got this cool other layout here. What was your point of having the sinks opposite the cooktop?
So there actually is an intention there. When we are prepping food, it gives someone a position to do something here and the other person a spot to be helpful over here. So like if he's chopping, I'll be making like the sauce, or we'll put our Instant Pot up and we'll do like rice or get something ready over here. And then we'll put everything together on the stove. And then when we're cooking, someone can kind of be cleaning up the dishes in the sink while we're cooking.
Oh.
So it kind of gives you this like
So kinda offset.
flip-flop offset.
The seating across, I freaking love seating across. You guys can stare in each other's eyes and be weird, but it's
Not bump elbows. Like
Yeah.
we each have a pretty good amount of space. These benches are 3 feet.
that's my next question. Thank you. 3 feet wide.
Yeah.
That is massive.
So really, you could fit four people
Yeah.
here. And
It'd be a
really
weird-
uncomfortable.
it'd be a weird
yeah,
time.
but you could do it.
Bed setup. Obviously, it looks like the mattress is just like up in the back there.
Yep.
What is all this? And it's pretty obvious what it is because the handles.
Yep.
What does it do? How does this work?
So the bed pulls out up to the edge of the countertops, and it is a full-size memory foam mattress, 8 inches thick.
Yep.
Is this cantilevered out? And the cantilevering is when you pull it out. And how does it work? Yep.
If we fold down the cushions, there's some rails that it sits on the edge here.
Okay.
So you have to fold down the cushions.
Is this a one-person show?
It is.
Okay. Oh, and it even locks on both sides.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the idea of a convertible bed. Oh, that was actually really easy.
There you
Super
go.
easy. Put the bed up.
Okay. Oh no, we're gonna switch places. So now we're
I'm
gonna get
take my shoes off because last time I did this, someone was like, "Girl, you putting your dank shoes on your bed."
Oh, so you have to get up to the bed. This is interesting.
And then I just grabbed the edge of the mattress.
Is this a two-person
It is.
maneuver?
Definitely a 2-person operation.
That's hysterical.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so that mattress just holds up there.
Yeah, we put that board across the top, and it
Just the whole. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, and in case anyone has any questions, it does not fall out the back. You do not need to fold the bed forward with the doors open.
I don't think you guys have enough storage. And that was sarcasm if anybody could not pick up on that. Obviously, I love the shoe racks. I love that maneuver.
Toys, got the one wheels, climbing gear, crash pad.
Outdoor shower.
Yeah.
Or wash-off method.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our water fill hose to fill up our water tank, as well as a spigot for outdoor wash and rinse and that kind of thing.
And this is our propane box, so
Okay.
vented out to the ground.
It's just a 20-pounder?
Yep,
yeah.
just your regular.
Standard. You don't have to open it all up. I think we all know what a 20-pound looks like.
Behind there is also our gas water heater.
Awesome.
So we have
Gas water heater.
Yeah,
right? Or
propane.
propane, sorry.
Okay, the Instant Hot propane. Okay, got you.
So
You guys are the best. Thank you for sticking around later
Yeah.
and showing us all of your van. Till next time.